Hi there, in this video I'm going to share with you how you can sing with more accuracy and control, and I'm going to give you an exercise that I was doing just this morning with my daughter. Before we dive in, remember to hit the subscription button if you haven't already and hit the notification bell so that you get all of my future videos. And if you're serious about singing, I recommend taking my free 5-day singing course. You'll find that in the pinned comment or in the description. Now, singing with precision can be something that feels quite challenging, especially if you haven't had any formal vocal training. And what I find with most singers who have been trying to learn by themselves is that they focus on trying to sound nice and trying to sound good, and they focus on like singing with vibrato, or they focus on singing high notes, and they don't really know how to sing with accuracy. So the exercise that I'm going to give you is going to help you with that. What we really want to achieve when it comes to singing is a versatile voice that's able to produce lots of different sounds, and you know how to produce the sounds without hurting your voice and how to produce them consistently. And the way we do that is by learning techniques. But it can be difficult to learn techniques from videos, and I have had singers come to me who have been using very, very helpful channels like I think it's called Jacob's Vocal Academy. That is very, very good for exercises, but there isn't any technical guidance or advice, so it can be very difficult to know whether you're actually executing the exercises properly in a safe way that's going to protect your voice while allowing you to produce the sounds that you want to produce. That's why I like to give technical advice and guidance in my videos, because I know that not everyone has access to that. So what we're going to be doing in this exercise is a combination of legato singing and staccato singing. In Western music, we mainly use Italian words to describe how we want music to sound. So legato means smooth and staccato means short. So if we were singing the 5-note scale in staccato, or sounding the 5-note scale in staccato, it would sound like this. And legato would be The other thing that a lot of people do is try to use vibrato, or they are adding vibrato in exercises, either on purpose or unknowingly. The thing with exercises is that we want to execute the sounds nice and straight and accurately, and then we add the vibrato and the embellishments afterwards. If you're always singing with vibrato and you're not producing vibrato properly, that's actually going to impede your progress and make singing harder. Even though you think it might sound nice or good, if you're not doing it right, it will make singing harder. So let's start the exercise. Let's start down here. For those people with lower voices, we're going to sing staccato, so short first, and then legato, because it's actually easier to sing short and then long. So we're not looking for ha, 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 ha. That's not going to do anything for you. That's not going to help you, although you might think it sounds good or nice. So here we go. Ha, 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 ha. Ha, 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 ha. Ha, 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 ha. have enjoyed the video and it's helped you, remember to hit like and to subscribe and hit that notification bell. That helps to get the videos, all of the videos on the channel out to more people so that we can help more singers and build this community. This time we're going to reverse the exercise and we're going to sing legato first and staccato second. So, ah, 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 ah. There we go. 5, 6, 7, and ah. Last one. I trust that this helps you to sing with more precision and with more accuracy, and it will also help your agility. Practice this every day and you'll see an improvement in your singing in a week or two. I'll see you in the next video. Stay hydrated. Ciao!